Okay. Hello. Can you all hear me?
We did try hear you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, we can hear you,
So,
but the line is breaking.
line is supposed to be off. So sorry, Farouk is like asking if we can do it another time, but I don't know, Farouk, if you are okay because we could manage to connect and we are currently live streaming the events. I don't know, should we continue or should we still reschedule it? Uh, can you hear me, Farouk?
Yeah, it's up to you guys. We can schedule another time if necessary. Um,
Okay, but you are okay right now if we continue.
yeah, I'm okay. So anything.
Okay, so maybe we can continue because we don't know what Monday is going to be. The network
Yeah.
is quite
Yeah, okay. Um,
yeah. Okay, so good morning everyone, good evening. I know Farouk is kind of thinking about his dinner currently because it's almost getting dark over there in Malaysia. So good morning everyone, good evening, good afternoon. My name is Kambai, and this is our third Mentor Me online program. And today we are featuring someone who is very uh, up and doing in Wikimedia projects in Malaysia. And I won't introduce him now, but later on he's going to introduce himself. And we know that we are going to get actually the best from him. And he has a lot of experiences in this very project. And for me, I'll hand over to Queer, and then um, it will go out. Thank
All right. Thank you very much, Kamba, and good morning, everyone. So I know quite a number of us were thinking that the whole session is going to be in the evening. But as we always said, you should look out for things like this. There will be changes. So all you need to do when the flyer is being sent, please try to read everything through carefully so that you have a clear understanding of when the session is beginning. So again, my name is Kuyet, and I am one of the organizers from the Tyap Media's community, and I welcome everyone to this today's session. At this point, we'll just do self-introductory quickly before we begin. As if I pass the mic to you, immediately after your introduction, you pass the mic to the next person. So we'll just do that quickly and then we go around. So I'll just pass the mic to Judith. Please kindly introduce yourself and then pass the mic to the next person, please. Thank you. Judith, are you there? Okay,
Yes,
naturally.
I'm here.
All
Yes,
right,
I'm here.
please.
There's another one that she's sent me.
Okay. Yeah, naturally, please go on.
Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Paulo Francis, also known as Natalie. Okay, I'm a full 100% member of the Chapel Wikimedia University. It's nice
Yeah,
to be here. Thank you very much.
thank you very much. Okay, I can see King.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Emmanuel Chukwu, fondly known as King. I'm a member of the Tyap Comedians group.
Thank you very much, King. Ali Hussein, please.
Hello, can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Hello.
Please go on. We can hear you. Go on. We can hear
Hello,
you.
can anybody hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
I guess his network too is not so good. Okay, Queen.
Good morning, everyone. Happy New
Good
Month to
morning.
you all.
Thank
I'm
you.
Ejiro Moses by name. I'm a member of the Tyap community. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Guakab.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. My name is Bwaka Benjamin Anthony. I'm the member of the Tyap Wikimedia User Group. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Guakab. And on this note, we'll just take back the mic to back to Kambai as he introduce our guest. Kambai.
Yeah, thank you very much. So, we'll hand over the mic to Farouk right now. So, Farouk, it's your time.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. It's evening here. It's around 6:20 p.m. in Malaysia. My name is Farouk Azim. I am from Wikimedia Community User Group Malaysia. I am the program manager of the user group. Um, my background is actually petrochemical engineering, but I ended up here in this user group. Um, what we have done here a lot in the country is we have supported uh, several of the indigenous languages here and successfully launched three indigenous languages on Wikipedia. And throughout that experience, we have learned on how to do certain tasks on Wikipedia to better help localize uh, the the user interface. Yeah.
Okay,
Should I just
okay.
continue? Or
Yeah, okay. Continue, Farouk. You can just go on with session. We're happy
okay.
to have you.
So the lesson I want to talk about today is how to adapt templates to your language Wikipedias. So what this means is that every Wikipedia or every other Wikimedia project or website uses templates. Let me see if I can speak. I don't know if it's. Can you see the screen? Is it-
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Although
This is
I think I can.
okay. I can't see anything else since mine is on full screen, so that you cannot see anything. So it's
Yeah,
network
we can
again.
see adapting
Yeah. Okay.
templates.
So just a short introduction to everyone about what are templates. Templates are just standard wiki pages where the content is designed to be transcluded or embedded inside other pages. Usually, they always use the namespace template before the actual title of the template. So, so every Wikimedia project or website uses templates, but every one of them uses them differently, and they are customized based on their needs and uh, wishes of the editors. So why are templates useful? There are two main reasons. One would be they allow pages to be formatted for a better reading experience. So let's say if you didn't have a template on Wikipedia, all you see is just text. Uh, it's hard to organize photos, information in a more clean way. And well-designed templates, they also allow for better editing experience for the editors, because if you design your template properly, when you're putting information in that template, it would be easier for the editors. So these are the main reasons why templates are a very important and useful feature on um, Wikimedia projects. Yeah, so uh, I don't have anything much on my slides, but um, here you can take note of my email for future reference. It's farouk.rahman@wikimedia.org.my. For if you need any uh, questions answered regarding templates, I can try my best to help you. So
Thank you very much, Farouk.
yeah,
But I think I don't know if it is okay from your end. Can you uh, show us how to create a template,
yeah,
let's say in one of the new Wikipedias?
yes. That's where what I'm going to do. But I'll just explain some stuff before that. So in all the templates, currently, a lot of the Wikipedias in other languages other than English, they are not very well maintained. And this is a big reason why other Wikipedias don't look as good as uh, English Wikipedia. So what we're going to do today is basically adapt templates from English Wikipedia. See, yeah. So some examples. So this is uh, a template for making taxonomy boxes. If you don't know what that is, it's for animals usually, those species of animals. Uh, yeah. In other languages, let's see. It's okay. So there are a few things that you have to remember when you're adapting the template. Is one, you always have to make sure when you're making the template on your Wikipedia, you need to connect its Wikidata item. I hope everyone knows what Wikidata item means. Uh, this is so that when you open the languages tab on top, you can see all the languages so that you can, it's all connected. This is important to connect the Wikidata items, because when, or let's say you're making an article, but not entirely from scratch. So you're making an article based on another language. Right? Example. So this is Malay Wikipedia. I'll just when you're um, making articles, you can actually translate articles using a tool called the content translation tool. So this content translation tool uses a lot of um, um, those kinds of templates. So let's say I'm bunny. So So this is an example. Hopefully I can replicate this. Yeah, so when you're doing templates such as info boxes, uh, you translate, auto translate, it should auto translate to your specific language if you connect the Wikidata item together. If not, you will have an error. So this is what's important when you're doing these kinds of templates. And hope everyone takes note of that. Rambai, do you have like a specific template you want me to show or make?
Uh, not really, or maybe let's say for the just making an example with the Tia Wikipedia, I don't think we have
Yeah,
a template with Wikivoyage.
okay, for your ads.
That's yeah, Wikivoyage related templates on the Tia Wikipedia. I'm not sure we do.
So I actually
Okay,
open, yeah, this one is Tyap Wikipedia. This is the language template. Currently, the template looks like this. It's very uh, full of errors. So maybe I'll just try and
yeah,
help update it. Okay. So what you need to do is basically, I hope everyone knows just how to make a template page. You just copy the name of the one from English. So template, then box, which let's say like that. Then it will go. It should go to an empty page, and then you just create the source. Then what you do. is- So what you do on English Wikipedia, you just view the source, copy every single thing, just paste it. All info boxes generally get maintained yearly by English Wikipedia, so you try your best to update as often as possible. But it's very straightforward. You just copy everything. But there are certain things that you have to take note. I actually wanted to ask Kambai to do something earlier because this is actually not a template issue. It's like this wide wide info box problem. It's not a template issue, but more to how do I say this? Website wide CSS issue. So for Kambai, next time, I don't know if you have the user, admin interface admin right, but if possible,
yes,
you have it. Yeah. So if you have it,
yes,
you should go
yeah, I do.
to media wiki common.css and copy from English. But yeah, just make one and then
Okay,
copy from English, and hopefully this issue will be solved
okay.
because there's a setting
That's
for info box.
Wikimedia Wiki.
Yeah.
Uh,
So
this is on Meta or okay on English Wikipedia.
so you copy from English Wikipedia, put it on Tyap Wiki.
Okay, so let me
Yeah.
do that right away.
Hopefully this one fixes that issue. Um,
Okay,
let's say you already made this template and then you see some errors.
yeah,
Usually when you see these errors, actually you just have to create all the modules and templates that they mentioned. So let's say they cannot find module dot location map. Just find the name in English, make the module in Tyap or your other languages, copy everything, and you do it until it's all gone. But if you want to make sure you have everything, when you go to the English template, when viewing the source, you scroll down, and then they have a section where the pages are transcoded here. So this is all the templates that they use. So make sure to make all of this as much as possible.
So
This
that would be sorry for I said that would be under is it under templates or under special pages?
this one you can make, anyone can make this.
Yeah.
So just follow the names. So template colon
Okay.
like empty, then just make that. But once you make the info box, I mean the template, let's see what else.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make a check for conflict. So it's it's the whole name. And here. So okay, that's it. Then don't forget, you need to connect your module to the global one. On this right hand side, there are tools, and you just add inter-language link. Pop-up will appear. So just type EN for English, then the name of the page in English. This one is this, copy it, paste it, then make the page. For this one, refresh, and it should remove this error. Yeah, so it's now gone. See. And if you see any other things that you have to make, so like this one, this template doesn't exist. So you just open it in a new tab, find the one in English. Okay, okay. That template doesn't matter. Um, so next, once you're done fixing errors there, another thing that you have to do is template documentation. So same thing, you go to the just edit on this Wikipedia. Just copy everything first. You can translate this in the future. That's up to you. But for starter, just copy and paste everything. Just update. Okay. Next, for certain things, let's say for this info box, you have all of these things you want to translate. Let's edit the source. So those are the labels just now. So what you have to do is, for a better viewing style, make sure you turn on syntax, and then it will be color coded. So it's easier for you to read the coding. What you want to edit is only things that are labeled with label. So this is the thing you can change. Label 1, label 2, I think this one is here, created by 2, 3, 8, setting usage. So this one you can translate to your language, then you will see it. You would see it usually change if you're using the template. But also on this template or any other template, there's also a way to make the user interface for editors in showing all the information in your language. So it's actually using template data. So when you're reading the info in all templates, so the important part is actually template documentation. Uh, there are some parts in the template documentation that affect how the template is displayed. So when you scroll down at the very bottom of the documentation, there's actually a part called template data. So this one, template data. Then you can expand it. There is a whole table dedicated to your formatting when you're putting information. So for example, this one, and when I edit in visual editor. So these are the things you're going to see. This explanation, what they explain, what you can do, the form, so all of this. But right now, as you can see, it's all in English. But actually, you can do it. You can add multiple languages, and so that whenever someone's user interface is set to a certain language, let's say your user interface is set to the Tyap language, you can change it. You can add a Tyap language label for all of this. So to do that, you only need to edit on the documentation section, template documentation. You don't edit directly on the template of that specific template. So what you do is edit here. When you're in this edit section, you will actually see a button called edit template data. When you click it, and then there's on top there's a language tab. So you can add, right now it's yeah, let's say if I add it in Malay, let's put code like that. So all of this is displayed. Say Tyap. So right now it's the Tyap version is in English, so you can change it. but I'll just do it in Malay. So let's say the first one is name. I go to my language, name. Here, what you need to change is this label. Label, and then you can see the code for that language. So name in Malay is nama. Say all of this. Name, alternate, alternate name. You can then do this for all. Slowly do it, and then you make sure it's connected to the correct coding. So this right hand side is actually the coding variable that you will use, that you is in the coding of the template. So the system actually reads this, but the labeling will display this when you're editing it. So let's change it. Even in the description, you can add in your language, examples, anything you want. Based on something. So I just edited two of them, apply it, and they will actually update the code at the very bottom. But I'll just publish it first. Okay, so let's say you're editing anything on templates, and then you want to see a change. Sometimes you don't see the change happening immediately. There is actually a glitch on Wikimedia systems, and what you have to do is edit the template, and then it's, I think, I don't remember what it's called. It's like you do a blank edit. So a blank edit is basically you add, right, uh, go to the very bottom, you add spaces, and then you just publish. So this doesn't change anything in the way of the coding, but it actually updates those this whole template. Should, should if that doesn't work, just make a small edit. Doesn't change much. Dot. This is to just update the whole system. It's a very tedious glitch. I don't know why the developers never fix it yet. We have to give also all of that. Gets you. The actual result would be around here when you're editing. have to change the language. So let's say your language is so now everything on my end looks is using the Malay language when I'm editing. Hopefully this works. Annoying. Yeah, so here this is the edit I made just now. So it's so it really depends on your choice of language. That's what you can do to adapt it. So far, can everyone understand what I'm explaining?
Myself, I do understand it. Maybe because I have prior experience about it, but maybe someone else within the community may need to ask a question. Please feel free to ask questions because you can only get Farouk once in a blue moon. So please ask.
If you have any question, just ask. The editing is very straightforward. It just takes some time. If you have the time and to do it, then it will be all. This is actually how we help other communities of other indigenous languages. Instead of just creating articles, we taught them how to create the templates, and they were more active creating templates, and that's how their videos got launched faster than just creating articles. You can see it. Also, Kambai, did you already added the media wiki?
Yeah, I've been trying to edit some templates so that they all sum up to getting that one done.
You just need to
Yes,
add this one here because it will
okay.
immediately help this problem.
Okay, so now my question would be, if I'm to go through the English wiki, can you take me to the? I want to get where the location is
Location of
in
what?
the English. That's of that very template, that media
Uh,
wiki.
okay.
Want to
So
go
you
to the
search
English
this,
wiki?
go to English Wikipedia, you type media wiki. So media, capital
Yeah,
M.
I okay, I did that earlier, but it was showing zero.
So it will appear here. English
As
Wikipedia.
if the page has not been created. Let's see if
So it's all here.
it's as if it has not been created. Okay, let me look
Copy it and create it. Is it possible?
so just give me a very few seconds.
Yeah.
Then I to type you manually. So that's wiki slash media wiki comment dot okay, I think I got oh but it's showing me something else. It shows me that you get
Do
you
you want
get
to
you get
share your screen
information.
or anything?
Yeah, yes, let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Let me share. This is how my screen looks. So this is the Wikipedia.
Yeah. So what you misspelled is
So it's
comments. Is there's no S, so it's common. COMMN.
oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it.
Right.
So once it opens, I'll just go over to the chat. I'll copy this and then go over here, and then over to okay, because let me see. Then let me go over to the search again, as if I would create it afresh and then open to book article file. It should be create new article and then I'll come back again. Oh, I think I messed it up.
Can you create it?
Let me go back. Yes, I'll get it back again. So let me go over to English again and then search for that very template and then okay and then copy everything and then come and what I don't understand. So what I'm seeing here is that this one is showing CSS over here, but
Yeah.
over here it is not showing CSS environment.
Yeah. You just
It
copy
is
it and
looking
then
like
you paste it. Can you paste it?
okay, okay, so I'll copy and then so see if I can be able to edit this one right here. I'm trying to
So
edit it.
you
Mm,
if you cannot edit anything, it means you don't have the right to do it. Right now, your right is admin or interface admin. There are two types of
yes.
admin.
Okay. Okay. So I think I am just an interface admin,
Interface admins can edit. Normal admins
but
cannot edit this. You will have a
okay.
block.
Okay.
Can you type anything there?
But do you have yeah yeah
I
with
mean,
another one apart from
because if you don't have the interface admin right, you have to do a vote on it and then request it via wiki stewardship.
no problem.
It's either you or another person. Sub. But they also
Yeah,
need to
I
have
think
their
I
phone
think I've
with.
seen where to request for interface admin. You have to request for it to be until you have to be granted the right before you can be able to edit this.
Yeah. So this
I
is
just went through it and I saw it.
So basically we'll share it on the chat so that as many as possible who want to, because it's actually anyone can be an admin in the Wikipedia. So you can actually share it so that even El Hussein
Okay,
and
I will just share the
anyone
link.
with Wikipedia.
I'll share the link.
if you have if you want to do any more more discussion, you can message me on Telegram or email me, and we'll try to help with all of this if possible. So once you fix all of that, you create your templates, he will be more like English.
Thank you very much, Farouk. Farouk has been with us from the very beginning of this very session, and currently she is from Wikimedia Malaysia, and he's supposed to be resting actually after all the hustle during the day, but then we have kept him this long. Even though he would like to give us much more, but time constraint is quite very, obvious. So if you have any questions to ask him concerning how to create interface, create templates from the very beginning, especially for those of us who are having Wikipedia projects. El Hussein is here with us. He was here with us, but that would be very useful to him, and also for those of us from the other Wikipedias. I think the Hausa Wikipedia still needs much more of these templates, and also for the Jew Wikipedia editors who are not here with us. But in case they are watching this very recording, you can also go through the same process. And if you're having any difficulty, please feel free to ask Farouk if he would give you the on how to go through and create templates, because every Wikipedia needs templates. A lot of them, there are tens of thousands or so. And we actually need to create this template so that users would find it easy to use this Wikipedia project that we have and other wiki projects. So thank you very much, Farouk, for giving us this time of yours, and we don't take it for granted. So I don't know, this is all from me, but if you have any question or any other thing to say from amongst our participants, please feel free to ask within the next 60 seconds before we say bye-bye and prepare for the next in-person session tomorrow. So any questions, please feel free to unmute and speak.
Okay, so again, good afternoon, everyone, and a big thank you to Farouk too for putting all those together. To some of us, this is our first experience when it comes to programming and how this template is being worked around. So to some, it will look a little bit strange because it is something new to them. But the whole concept is you have the basic knowledge of how these things are being run, and moving forward now you can be able to prepare your mind for those who want to go into programming or coding, because the Wikimedia activities is quite large to accommodate every one of us, irrespective of what your strength, where your strength lies. So for those who want to focus on coding or programming, I think this one will prepare you better ahead to know, okay, this is what I should be coming up against. So I want to believe that even to some of us, we might have the question, but we don't know how to actually ask the question. Not to worry. As we make progress, we are going to keep on bringing more people who will unravel all of these mysteries to us. To some of us, it's a mystery actually, but for those of us who have been working around all of this, we understand that okay, it is not something, it's not a much big deal that we cannot work around. But I still want to encourage us that from among us, we all see how the Tyap Wikipedia is. It needs a whole lot of template. It needs a whole lot of work. So we need people around here who have interest in programming or coding. You can just identify yourself, pull up yourself around, then we'll link you up to where you are, you'll be able to learn this thing professionally, and then where you can also contribute to the open knowledge. So thank you very much, everyone. And to Farouk, thank you so much. We took your time. We are just waking up from sleep in Nigeria, and you are about going to bed. So we apologize for all of this. But then we hope that in the nearest future we are going to call you again so that you also come and work around all of this with us again, because it is work in progress for us. We are just getting started. So thank you very much. So on this note, I just want to believe for those of us who have questions but doesn't know how to ask, I will understand, because you cannot ask what you don't understand. So we understand that quite all right. So thank you very much for taking your time to be part of the session this afternoon. And we hope that tomorrow we are going to be meeting in person, and then for our third in-person session for the Mentor Me program. So we hope to see all of us there tomorrow, so that we can, have what is in stock for all of us tomorrow. So thank you very much. And on this note, I don't know, is there anybody that want to make a comment or anything, question, comment, or anything?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Good afternoon.
Yeah, so this is Walker Benjamin Anthony. So we want to say a big thank you to Farouk for this presentation. As Mr. Kuyet have already narrated everything, so we are new to the whole system right now. But what will happen is that we have a live stream, so we can go back to the YouTube and still go through the whole thing, so that next time we can be able to do one or two things, and we'll try our best to see how we'll get used to the coding. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Gwafab. Thank you so much. So any other comments before we go? All right. So Farouk, before you go, any final comment from you before you go?
Yeah. Thank you everyone for attending this session. I hope all of you learned something, even though it may not be much, since it's a very heavy topic, and it may be very confusing for first timers. But I assure you that our community, the ones that handle their own indigenous language Wikimedias, they don't have any prior knowledge to coding. But they ask very like a lot of questions to me, and then I help them as much as possible, and they manage to do everything themselves after that. So hopefully, even the top community members can also uh, learn from this and improve the job Wikipedia and other language Wikipedias or other Wikipedia projects. And, and hopefully everyone will have a better user and editor experience. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Farouk. Thank you. Thank you. So I think with all of this, because it's just an introduction for the community, so we are going to identify people who actually have interest in coding and programming, and then we'll find a way to reach out to you again, Farouk, so that we can have another special session for these particular individuals. And I hope when we come calling, we are going to, out of your busy schedule, you are going to squeeze a little time to attend to us. So thank you very much. So come by. Any last comment?
Yes, my last comment will be to say thank you for being present with us, both to Farouk and to all our participants. But then I also want you to also know that you don't have to have knowledge about coding. Myself, I don't have any prior knowledge of coding. It's not actually coding. You don't have to code anything. So it's just about adaptation. Just go to the English Wikipedia copy, come back to your own Wikipedia, paste it, and then you publish it. And sometimes you edit some things. So it's just like manipulating the whole thing, but you don't have to have prior knowledge. And anyone can also, it's not for specific number of people, specific kinds of people. And also, I want to comment the Malaysian Wikimedia Malaysia for their strive in languages, because if you look at Wikimedia Malaysia, almost every every big gathering of Wikimedia community. They are present. We can have the Zazun Wikipedia, which was launched by Wikimedia Malaysia, and we have other Wikipedia that Malaysia is also doing. And that's what we're hoping to do our own end here in Nigeria. It has a lot of languages to have more Wikipedia projects also launched so that more languages can be read. Wikipedia can be read in more languages. Also, we strive in safeguarding these languages, helping them to also strive in the 21st century of digital achievements. So we're very glad to have someone who is from a community that is like us and we demonstrate that this is of these languages in the media space, and would also hope that in the near future we'll also have collaborations together. So I really appreciate your coming. So thank you very much, and see you another day. Thank you.
Thank you, Combine. Thank you very much. So, to everyone present, we want to appreciate you seriously for taking your time, for being here from beginning till this moment. We just want to appreciate you all. And naturally, we see you. Thank you very much, Holiness. Thank you. King, thank you. And then Halima Waziri, thank you very much. We appreciate all of you for being a part of this. So we look forward to seeing all of you tomorrow for the in-person session. So thank you and happy new month once again. From me, on behalf of the Tyap Comedians user group, I want to say happy weekend to all of us. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day, everyone.
All right, Farouk.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Have a good night rest, Farouk. Thank you.
Happy New
See ya.
Month. Cheers.
Thank you.